Many electronics reuse and recycling facilities test RAM modules for potential resale. RAM is used in every computing device as a way of temporarily holding data when a program is being run. And because RAM is volatile memory, it loses all data when the computer is turned off, so there are no data security concerns with the RAM testing process. RAM is sorted by generation. DDR stands for double data rate, and the earliest generations, DDR1 and 2, are no longer in use and are not commonly tested. DDR3 came out in 2007 and DDR4 in 2014, and both are still in use. The latest generation is DDR5. Different generations of RAM have a different number of gold connectors along the bottom edge, so RAM needs to be tested on devices compatible with the RAM module itself. PC2 and SODIMM RAM are physically smaller, designed for laptops, gaming systems, and some thin client desktops. M2 SSD modules are similar in size to RAM, but their gold connectors are along the short edge, as you can see here. SSDs retain data with the power off, so they need data security controls and cannot be tested with RAM. At this facility, RAM that has been removed from disassembled devices or collected from customers is sorted into several categories, including physical size, generation, speed, memory capacity, and whether it is server RAM or desktop RAM. DDR3 desktop RAM is tested using this automated handling system. RAM is loaded into a feeder chute, and each module is loaded, placed, and tested automatically under software control. RAM modules that pass are sent into the bin on the right, and RAM modules that fail testing are tested a second time before being rejected and sent into a bin on the left for materials recovery. The software maintains test logs for this process. As this automated system continues testing DDR3 RAM, let's move to the server testing area. Desktop RAM and server RAM are physically similar, but server RAM is often higher quality with larger capacities, up to 64 gigabytes, and often supports other functions, such as ECC or error correcting code, which is managed by the server's operating system. Server RAM, which is usually DDR4, needs to be tested on servers to fully evaluate the RAM's functions. The server boots from this USB drive that contains the testing software. RAM modules have been loaded into the RAM slots in the server, and the testing software runs. After each completed test, the server RAM that passes is removed and placed in an outbound bin for resale, and more RAM is loaded for the next test. RAM that fails is sent for materials recovery. Laptop RAM is placed into an opened laptop using the same testing software. The laptop is powered up, and the startup screen indicates that the RAM is at least partially addressable by the laptop's operating system. The testing software then runs to confirm full functionality of the RAM modules, and if they pass, they are bundled for outbound shipment. This facility also maintains a variety of other devices to test RAM as needed, including gaming systems to test the newest RAM, DDR5. Our next facility has a similar operation with various computers arranged on tables so that different RAM can be tested simultaneously. Each computer has the same testing software running from USB drive, and results are written back to the same drive on each device. As before, RAM is sorted according to capacity, speed, generation, and physical size. At this facility, any RAM smaller than 8 GB capacity is sent for materials recovery. To test server RAM, the modules are loaded into each RAM slot of the server. With all of the server slots filled, the server boots using the testing software, and tests are run on all of the loaded RAM at once, and results are recorded. SODIMM, or laptop RAM, are tested in this array of thin client computers using the same software. An array of desktop computers, some using DDR3 and others using DDR4 RAM, are loaded with the appropriate RAM generation, DDR3 or 4, and tested using the same software. And when testing is complete, each RAM module that has passed is marked with a small white dot and loaded into anti-static trays for outbound shipment and resale. More videos showing different processes used by electronics reuse and recycling facilities are available in the R2 knowledge base on the SERI website.